You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Tap to equip the magical item.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Let's go get a physical checkup. Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Kitten. Frog. Nope. Listen to it again. Duck. Thanks. Check the weight and height. Kiki weighs 16 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it! Stamp on the numbers.
Kiki's height, 84 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it! Stamp on the numbers.